principle is present tense. Always say or thought in a present tense. For example, I already have a car. Thank you for giving me this car. Though you don't have it, you are dreaming about that car, but all you have to affirm or say is, I have the car. I have this beautiful home. I am in a beautiful relationship. Principle number 2. Always focus on what you want. Instead of focusing on what you don't want, please focus and talk about what you want. I love to have a big house. I am in a beautiful relationship. So always talk about what you want rather than what you don't want. Principle number 3. Trust. Always trust that you will get whatever you have asked for. Don't talk negative. Don't behave as if it's not gonna happen, because that is your vibration and it won't gonna happen. So always put your trust into whatever you are wishing and thinking that yes, I will get it. Principle number 4. Your law of attraction will only work for you. Please don't expect it to work for mother, brother, sister, husband, wife, and so on. No, it will only work for you. Law of attraction only and only works for you in your case, and their law of attraction will work for them. Your law cannot work for them because your thinking will deliver the results. So whatever they are thinking, whatever they are wishing, they will get accordingly. And whatever vibrations you are on, whatever your thought process is, whatever you are wishing, you will get it. Principle number 5, inspired action. Now as you have said what you want, you have said it in the present tense, you are trusting it will happen. The only one of the major principles that you have to focus here is inspired action. I am in a beautiful home. Take some inspired action into it. Start looking for a home. Start thinking how you're going to save for it. Just take one baby little step towards your dream, and how and when this entire dream will manifest, you won't even believe. So just take one little inspired action with a happy heart. Don't take stress. Don't be in anxiety. Don't get worried. Just take one happy inspired action at a time. Whatever you think you can, just do that. Take some action towards your goal and be ready that whenever it's the right time, it will be delivered to you. Don't forget to trust it and take your inspired action side by side. I have another list of 6 principles that are important for law of attraction. I will be covering them in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless, and watch my next video. God bless you and God bless me. Bye.